We're now going to disconnect the battery connection to the Sunny Island inverter by pulling out the positive fuse that we have on the battery cable coming from the battery bank to the inverter. The fuse is high rating, in this case 200 amps, and it is grasped very, very firmly between the jaws of the fuse holder. So it's quite difficult to pull off. The voltage here is very low, 48 volts, so there is no particular risk of electrocution, and we are dealing with only the positive conductor. So this can be done with bare hands. It can be done with a glove, a rubber glove. Even a thin latex glove would be sufficient if you are in any way concerned. In this case, we're going to use a fuse holder, a fuse puller. This is a tool which engages with the fuse and will allow us to pull out the fuse without touching it. So we carefully align the fuse holder with the prongs on the front of the fuse, move the puller upwards, and it clicks into place. So the handle is now attached to the fuse holder, and we very firmly and carefully pull it out. I'm going to pull it out at the top and leave the fuse in place so that it can be easily reconnected later. So here we go. Right, the fuse is now pulled, disconnected, and we can remove the handle and leave the fuse like this. So now the inverter is disconnected from the battery supply, and the onboard capacitors will run down after a few minutes, and the inverter can be safely worked on.